seniors, everyone, because we want respect. If we respect, he will respect, he will respect, he will respect. If you don't respect, he will not respect, she will not respect, he will not respect, will become Pakistan. So I request everyone, learn to respect, feel respect. And you come to international school, please participate in 10 clubs. I would again tell IB and IG children, especially who are going to be in 12th, you will miss out a beautiful thing. I have given last year some children recommendation letters as president of the Rotary Club students. What a letter I have given them. A child came and said, sir, because Roshan, he said, sir, because of this wonderful recommendation, I'll show you what scholarship we got from 3 major universities. They want recommendations. If you don't know, I can't give you. So you must take some beautiful interest. There are 10 clubs. Become president, vice president of the club by your sure dedication and take interest. I'll help you, please. Next. This is important, teachers. There are 64 items other than this. Please, all teachers must keep this in your heart. Keep in the class. VPs, please develop each child on this. And this is what is going to your parents. So I'll show you how it's going to your parents. And there are 64 items that are happening in school other than your academics. Take part in 6, 7 of them. Next, please. Next. Many of you who score 90% above, A1, 7s in IB, such lovely letters go to your parents. We are confident this wonderful child will continue to bring honors to you, dear parents at school. We thank you for sending this brilliant child to our school. We thank your parents. What a lovely thing your mommy receives. Your school is thanking. And she shows it to all her relatives and her friends. See, this, my child has got this. Work hard, try and get this. For every test, every key stage, every exam I send it. Make yourself proud, please. Make your mommy proud. Next. Even to children who score 75%, I yet send to motivate you and send to parents that has brought honor to the parents, teachers and the school. Positive best wishes. Congratulations on children. Next, please. Well, you see the scholarships, you will get me. Many of you will get me. I'll tell you, we have hundreds and hundreds of students who are in foreign universities with good scholarships here. And I request all of you have a little self-esteem. Take loan from the bank, Baki scholarship. Tell your daddy, mommy, I'm big enough and I'll manage my life. Have that self-confidence. Show them that you can do it. See these children, Brunel, Cambridge, Cardiff, Durham, Liverpool, Manchester. Next. So many, Greenwich, Leeds, Liverpool, Newcastle, Sheffield, West Wales, Westminster. Next. I mean, there's thousands. I think it's more than 1,000 students so far, but just want to show a few. And in US again, you have at California, you have at Drexel, next with scholarships, and you have at this. Tejashwar Kapai is at aeronautical and is doing extremely well in Arizona. You have at Boston, Fisher College, Illinois, Iowa, Boston, Rochester. Parth Shah, this boy is now doing not only his master's, now he's doing PhD in aeronautical, but this boy is going to do something great. Parth Shah is going to do something very great. He's gone to aerospace engineering, he's doing something very high. Ordinary child like you here, Parth Shah. We kept pushing. His lovely letters you should see. And Shalaja Bhagat was IG child. She is now heading entrepreneurship and won the best entrepreneurship award in US and at university level. Such marvelous achievements. You will get there. You will. One thing is if you take yourself seriously. If you take yourself ordinary, get stuck at the driver and that level. One thing is God has given opportunity. You have become a little better student. Otherwise, we ended up somewhere very low if you don't exert ourselves. Rohit Mudra is another my shining star here. That boy, North American entrance exam, he got sentenced in mechanics and physics. And then he went on to join the top Stanford. Did at Stanford his engineering, the electrical engineering masters. Then he went and joined Apple Industry. He is working in Apple Industry on artificial AI, artificial intelligence. Is going to bring a name somewhere. Somewhere will come going through them. So fabulous children. Next please. Other universities, so many are there. Singapore, Canada, Russia, Dubai, Germany. Australia, everywhere. I can keep on telling you, all of you will go somewhere. Beautiful universities. You have your alumni next. You have your alumni everywhere. And this is the letters you should get. This is Laila. I don't know all students who are here. If you know this girl who was here, two brothers, sisters. Laila Kothia, she wrote, yes, day for yesterday, and about 5 days back I received a letter from her. And she said, I've been procrastinating to keep everything back at my school, second home updated. You know, life at school is difficult. Life after school is difficult. The day memory crossed my mind is immensely. Those have been the best days of my life, which I can never bring back. I'm assuming you have better some awesome students that are going to make this school proud. Being a part of JSMA, I have seen this school grow a lot, being one of the best schools in India today. I am so proud to have graduated from this school. We all have had ups and downs, but I definitely miss school, and all of you back there, very especially Sir, Piero, all my below teachers, matrons. I finally graduated from Middlesex University in London, majored in psychology. I am now working for the Hull International Business School. It's a very famous business school. It has been a great journey so far. Thank you for being a good foundation carrier, Laila. I think you will get me letters. I've got hundreds of letters. Next please, I can't keep on reading. Parents are Somia, Kapadia. That's wonderful letters. Next. There's so many. Megha Rangraj. She has butterflies from a gawky little childhood. 1100 mature young girl. This has all been made possible with wonderful environment for the JS faculty and staff. We would like to place on record a sincere thanks and appreciation for all the efforts, inputs given. We feel, consider assured that admitting of only Dr. JRS was the best decision we had taken for her betterment. It's a mother who's trying to say. And show me, lovely letters, you all do well here. Next please. Marine Chandra, so much. Next. 9.2 CGPA at 10th, and I'm sure I'm going to see as a positive transit personality, and school has groomed her so well for Gayatri. Next, the mother who's writing. This is something which recently we received. I'm very happy to tell you that I've cracked the CAT 2016. This is for your MBA, and with an overall percentile of 99.47. My God. I don't think Kyle or any of teachers will be able to get that here. You people have got the gift here. See this. Beneath a little stammering child, a simple boy. Wonders you do. And he's got offers at everyone. I am Ahmedabad, Bangalore, everyone is getting. Such a lovely child. Next please. Well, Narasimhan says, my brother just got over the event here for 7. Next. See, scholarship, $19,000 to Roshar Agarwal, talents, achievements. Hunt International Business School is got there. Total of $2,500 additionally. He has been awarded a financial year of $16,725. In total, he has been awarded a social impact scholarship, financial aid grant, total award of $19,000. The latest offer child is from Oxford. He has gone out to Oxford with scholarship. Have a heart here. You will do wonders. You will do wonders. You are seeing it. Next. Look at this. Narasimhan again from your IG. And see this boy. This child, I'm extremely glad to inform that a student Narasimhan has been awarded full scholarship at Griffith University, Australia. Full scholarship, free, absolutely free. What a proud parent he was. What a proud parent. He kept on just saying, thank you, sir, thank you. Don't thank me, thank your child. I said, sir, it's your child who has blossomed so well. Such a wonderful boy. He's 35-year dual degree program at Griffith University. Next. Rohit Mudra, I told you that next, Stanford. See, Stanford ain't there, getting to Stanford or Harvard. All of you keep that photo in your mind. Next. Rahul Bhattacharya, all other postgraduates, Aditi Naik pursuing a PhD in diabetology in Germany. Aditi Naik, she is a PhD in diabetology. She is also going to be huge research, genetics there, Sheffield say, Master in Genetics from Sheffield. She is going so high, so high. This was Archa, I told you, PhD program, now in aerospace engineering. We are sitting like you here. Next. I can show you hundreds. Vishani, pursuing Masters of Engineering at Boston University. And I think Vishani, I'm not sure, but I think Vishani is getting married to Rohit Mudra. Are they married already? Huh? Brilliant. The genes are correct. The children will be fabulous here. Fantastic. And Mridul Bhandari, I told you, she is won the Entrepreneurship Fellowship in Epicenter Joint Venture in Stanford and National College Inventors and Innovations Alliance. It's a lovely child. Next. Amrit, all these are masters. Prashant, Bhaji Aerospace Engineering, Toronto. Next, 2 points, there's so many. Kai Biggs, he won the award, the Best Speaker Award in the Harvard World Congress and went to Dubai. Next. Well, RSAT classes are there. Please, Princeton reveals one of the best coaching institute. All those who are planning to take SAT exams, please approach Mr. Richard, the librarian, and all are already registered. The classes will start soon. Please do not tell me later, sir, I want to join. What should I do? It's now announced in public to you. Please don't miss this opportunity. You know all that details will tell you. Next, please, next. See, Anirudh has got 2,160, 200, 2,400. Ashilesha got 2,324, man. That's a very big, huge achievement, unbelievable achievement. I'm sure all of you will beat her. Next. All that you know, they will tell you. Next. This is how your teachers will be sending your reports to your parents in the mentor's report. Mentor's book. It will be sent to your post to your parents. It's very important. Your academics, how your special coaching, your counseling, and how you're answering, and you will be writing your self-assessment, your mentor's assessment, the feedback of your mentor, and your feedback also, how you're doing. It's a beautiful process. Academics, next, every 15 days, June 1st to 15th. Disciplinary, I told you that's most important. Your attitude, your behavior is very, very important. So dedication to work, respect for school, elders, juniors, helpful nature, values, punctuality, grooming, good haircut, dress uniform, dress code, etc. Next. Let's go to your parent every 15 days. Leadership qualities, personal development, public speaking, orator skills, personality, extrovert, general knowledge of world affairs, motivated to do things, positive leadership, role model leader. Next. And school activities, what do you participate in? Go to the parents. Sports is prime. This is a very important thing, and all of you should have your name there. We have the intercultural open mindedness, extracurricular activities, plays, debates. Then you have the adventure activities. You have your performing arts. You have so many things: dance, singing, painting. Next. Emotion quotient, can you manage your emotions? Or you get upset very fast, you get depressed very fast, you get angry very fast. And how good you are with friends, you have hundreds of friends, dealing with stress and breaking down or not breaking down. Anger control, you don't get angry at all. And open-mindedness to counseling and mentoring when somebody counsels and some teachers talking to you, I know, please, I don't need it. That's a wrong attitude. Please try and see that you're beautiful. Empathy, understand others' hurt, seniors especially. You think you tell a boy to do something wrong and you feel pleasure. Believe me, if somebody does to you or to your own brother, you will crack. Don't do that, please. Be supportive, be mature, be big, be huge. Next. The record of activities, all this go every 15 days, the record of activities go to parents. Please fill this up with something. Parents are looking forward. Some activity. Next. Well, Duke of Edinburgh, these are all, so many clubs are there. You better, this will matter for you all. Get into that. I don't know how many